we need to go upstairs and see what he's left upstairs because he has been bragging about having a lot of money and a lot of...
Are you guys kissing?
Earl's room key doesn't work, so McMinn climbs through the window. Leitman keeps watch outside the room. Earl's mother suddenly appears.
Nigga, that turtle don't look scared. That turtle just bit a piece of that motherfucking fish's face off. Look, the fish don't got a face no more.
Mason knows something's not right.
I opened the door and I always set the thing down to it. And that's when William McMinn.
Oh,
What are you doing in my motel room?
oh, that shit gross.
He told me he was looking for Earl. I told him he was a liar.
This ain't no evening, right?
I said,
Right.
You broke into my room. I'm going to throw you in jail.
Damn fat ass, you could save some.
So
That
I will.
motherfucker.
Está tragando entero, ¿verdad?
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir. Are you the hotel manager?
Well, not entero, cause he already ate some.
Leitman and McMinn grab Bowman and flee the
It's
scene.
longer, you almost, right?
When Deborah enters room 5,
Go Ninja Turtle.
Help me with this.
oh,
911.
she finds her badly beaten son. Mason is rushed to the hospital, and Detective Young begins his investigation. Young talks to the motel manager and immediately gets his first clue.
He's trying to take it out of his mouth.
Young gets
he
the
choking?
names of Jason Bowman and William
Yeah.
McMinn from the motel manager. Police issue a report to the local media.
Is he choking?
I don't
The
know.
identity of the female
It's like he
suspect is
looks like he's
still
trying to go, you know, push it out, and then it comes out a little bit, but then he goes, whoop, whoop.
He pull it out of his mouth and make it choking. Looks like he's choking, bro.
Based on a statement
How am I gonna
from
pull it out of his mouth?
Young knows he can issue a burglary warrant for the man she found lurking in her room.
That burglary gave us a reason to detain them.
Doing in my motel room.
We knew in our hearts of hearts that they were
might be
responsible for the beating, but we
helping,
needed
but
them to tell us.
How am I, what am I gonna
exactly
do?
what their roles
That's
were.
just nasty. You come help
Okay,
him.
wait, he's almost done.
Photo lineup that includes both
Took it out?
William McMinn and Jason
He ripped the
Bowman.
fins off. I guess he don't like fins, so he was trying to
She
rip it off.
mistakenly picks out Bowman as the intruder in her room, an error that will later have consequences.
Got mad who was in my motel room taking my things.
You done?
3 days
Yeah,
after the beating
I don't
of
see the
Earl,
fish no
the
more.
trio makes it to Texas. They think they're
Is
in the
this swallowing?
clear.
Yeah, a little bit. I don't see it in his mouth though.
Driving through Pecos County, Texas, Leitman gets worried when a cop begins to follow them.
Oh, he wants
I
more.
saw the state trooper behind us in the rearview mirror, and I told Jason to slow down because he was behind us.
Leitman's instincts